Hello friends, so today we are going to learn Rubik's Cube. First, it's a first level 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to teach this 3x3 Rubik's Cube because this Rubik's Cube is the first level. So let's get started. So first I'm going to say you that this is first layer, this is second layer, and this is third layer. So let's get started. So I'm going to say the trick that you can get to know easily what is the formulas. So this is, first the white should be down, as you can see white here, it should be down, and yellow should be up. And now I'm going to say you that this is R, this is R, and this is R, and this is R, and this is R dash, and this is F, and this is F dash. F dash means anti-clockwise. As you, in the easy word, you can say it as left. And this is up. This is U dash, and this is U. This is L, and this is L dash. Now first we have to F2, then bring this middle piece up, and you have to see what is the color white up of the white. So it is orange, so match it with orange. And as you can see, these two are whites, so you have to bring it in this white. So U dash, R dash, F, and as you can see, this down, this white is down, you have to bring it up, and it is already matched, so you have to not match it. So do it as U dash, R dash, F. Now again there's a middle piece, you have to bring it up, match it with green, because up of the white it is green. So do it as U dash, R dash, F. Now check whether there's a color anywhere. Still it is there, so bring it up. It's already matched, so leave it. Just do U dash, R dash, F, U dash, R dash, F. Now still there's a middle piece, bring it up. As you can see that orange is in middle, but green up of the white is green, so it is not matching. So you have to match with green. So you have to find green. So we have found green with two white pieces. So U dash, R dash, F. Now you can see then we have made white plus, and in the one line all the colors are matching, like this. Two pieces are matching with white, like green, red, blue, and orange, means our formula is correct. friends, I showed you that I solved all the colors. In the next video I'm going to say you that how I made layer by layer with step by step with formula. Till then, bye guys.